Vlogmas. Sorry I'm late. I had a video that I filmed, that I edited, and there are certain days that I just should not film. And yesterday was one of them, which I made a little post on my post tab on YouTube, calling for questions about, you know, whatever it is that you had questions about. And if any of you have a question for Jorge, maybe leave that in that post tab as well. That way, you know, I can throw him in at the end of that Q&A as well. So yesterday, let me just start with yesterday. Yesterday, I had a nice relaxing day. I was in all of those feelings that I get, you know, once a month. And I know that on a day like that, it's not a good idea for me to film. It's just not. So that's why that video was scrapped. So we're starting anew today. I'm feeling so much better, but I will have to say that I'm feeling a bit defeated because I didn't get my video out first thing, and you know, everything that I like to be on top of and whatnot, but that's okay. That is okay. I'm still going to do what I can this morning. Really what I want to do is I just want to plant these little things that these little, what do you call them? The clippings that my stepmom gave me. Yesterday when I was out, I went and got a massage yesterday, which was really great. That is a great day for me to do something like that. But I knew that I wanted to plant this ASAP. So I went to Home Depot and found a couple of pots, and that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm just going to get this done. I'll feel so wonderful about that. Something else that I did was I picked up my pictures, these that, you know, I got one for myself, one for my sister-in-law, and then I went to try to find a frame for it, and I did not like the way that turned out at all. I think part of it is I don't like the coloring of this, and it looks, I guess it has like a bluish tone or something to it. So I want to play around with this on Canva and just see if I can kind of change the coloring, the shading and everything to where it's something more appealing, especially in a frame. And then the frame that I would choose would go well with it. I can't even think right now, but that's what I want to do. So I'm not satisfied with this yet. So I'm going to play around with that today and see if, you know, I can figure out something else and then reorder them. So at least one for me. I mean, I know that she's not opposed to that, but I felt like it even looked weird with silver. So I decided to just try printing it myself. And I love the way that this turned out so much more. I love how much more matte this is as well. So I printed it on cardstock, and that looks nice. I also lightened everything, as you can see, just the difference here. And then I thought, you know, I really would prefer a creamier base, just a creamier paper, and one with a little bit of texture on it. So I used my watercolor paper to do that, and I think that it will still fit. I may need to reprint this again, just depending on what the frame is like. I'll have to see. But this, as you can see, will fit a 4x6, because this is a 4x6 right here. So I just adjusted the sizing of it so that it would fit, because the first one that I did, it was actually shorter. So anyway, this is a win. I already have this done. Now I just need to find a frame today. This will be very nice to do. And then later today, I look forward to filming the Q&A and hopefully posting that tomorrow for all of you. So if you missed my post tab, if you missed my post yesterday over on the post tab section on my YouTube channel, I hope that you will go over there and leave a question if you have one. I will do my best today to get to all of the questions, and then we'll have a fun video, probably a much longer video tomorrow. But anyway, thank you so much for being here with me today. I'm just going to go and do a little planting and call it a day. The colors. I'm going to put this one up on the shelf in the kitchen, and then I think for now I'm just going to leave this one on the counter here. And she said that when you place it, you should put it where you plan to keep it, but it's a little small to me to have on the dining room table just yet, so I think I'll just put it here on the sink area over here, and then if it takes off and I'm able to make more, then I'll do that and put that on the dining room table eventually. But I'm really happy with the way that it turned out.
Welcome to Inspired by Nikki. On today's episode, looking at old video footage. I don't know what that is.
It's a burn test.